Smells like a bird. This is how it is every day. We have to sit and stare at the bird or else he will get her. And the only way to fix it is if you take him by the computer and let the cage stand beside the computer. And if anybody complains that this is too small a cage, he has hurt his wings so he can't fly, that's why we have him there, because he crash lands all the time otherwise. So he needs to sit in a small cage. But that doesn't affect his Kärrö, because he was doing like that in the big cage too. As soon as I get behind this ledge, then that's when he starts Kärrö-ing. Have anything you want to say to the viewers? That bird surely requires a lot of attention. Now if we want to see some animals that don't require a lot of attention, visit the Arken Zoo Linköping clip or the seagull nestlings. You can click these thumbnails in the video, or you can use the cards that YouTube recently introduced. So click on the cards or use these and check out the rest of my videos. Enjoy!